Hello. Today was quite a different competition. It did rain in the middle, so we did get a gap of half an hour. I had to rebuild the rhythm again, but yeah, it worked out in my favor, so I'm quite glad.
You trained with Anju Bobby George, one of India's legend long
Yes.
jumpers. Tell us about that
Now
experience.
coming to play
How does that help you?
one lap,
They're
400
running. I don't
meters.
understand.
You have to watch the race.
Now I can speak. Sorry.
No worries.
I'll say it.
On the opening day,
Uh,
to start
can you
off
repeat the
with,
question? I'm so sorry.
You trained with Anju
on
Bobby George
the
and Robert
far
Bobby George. So
side,
how
Yes.
does
onto
that
the
tell us about that?
track straight.
Our foundation, our high performance center, the only motive is to improve again and again. And like we are getting the best of facilities over there, so there is no doubt that we are doing this good, and we will continue to keep doing good. Thank you to Bobby sir and Ju ma'am for supporting us even at our tough times, even in our injuries. Pushing us to keep doing better. And yeah,
Tell us about the journey. Then how did you fall into athletics, especially in triple jump? Because I think you
The
did 200
Brazilian is all
hurdle
about
before. How did you choose triple
being
jump as the main
above
event?
average. You don't need to be brilliant.
So I started with athletics since I was 7. So triple jump was never my motive. It had always been sprints. Then and I did my long jump once, and then I went back to track where I did 200, 400s, 800s, and I won that also. I was doing quite well. I did try heptathlon after that, and along with heptathlon, I had just put an entry in the under 18 triple jump, and luckily I don't know how, but I won there, and then that is how I fell into triple jump. Only with like I just loved that event so much because it was so much different than other events, so technical and it's a beautiful event. So that is how that love for triple jump came into me, and that is why I started with triple jump. It has professionally been 2.5 years, almost 3 years that I'm into triple jump. Before this, I was doing heptathlon. And yeah, I started professionally training for triple jump under Bobby sir in 2022 March, and yeah, that's
Tell us about your family. Like, what does your father do for fun? And how does he support you when his job is
okay.
very hard?
So my family is not into sports. My dad's side, no one is into sports. All of them are academically inclined. So they too never wanted me to like pursue this as my career, or I had no exposure about it. This happened through my school only and my sir and my coaches over there. That is why I got introduced, who actually fought with my parents to get me into sports, and that is the reason I am here right now. And now that I'm doing so well, right from the beginning only, I was doing quite well. So my parents have been nothing but supportive, and they support me more than I support myself. They're always there in my corner. My dad is a civil engineer, my mom is a software engineer, so you can understand how it is at home. But yes, I do believe in academics also. I've been pursuing my studies also. So nothing but support, and thank you so much, Ujikyu, for standing by my side and helping me through. Thank you.
Last couple of questions. Triple jump is a highly technical event.
Yes.
You know, like for Asian medal also, you'll have to breach 14-meter mark.
Yes.
So, what are your plans for the
Ending
future?
with the
What are your
400 meters.
ultimate goals for the triple jump?
Um I do have a goal of qualifying for the Asians, but right now I just want to, recover from this injury and gradually keep doing my personal best and then reach that mark. I don't want to. I do have that vision, but I do believe in small stepping stones. I want to progress it gradually. I don't want to force myself too much. Obviously, I will try to push, but I know my body well, and according to that, I want to keep pushing my body.
Who is your idol in sports or anyone like any sport international nations? Who is your idol who you look up to?
Rafael Nadal has always been my inspiration since I was a kid. I haven't really got a chance to play tennis, but tennis is the ultimate sport, and I just love Rafael Nadal. Even my phone ka wallpaper is of Rafael Nadal. I extremely admire him. His spirit of coming back from each and every injury that he's been through, and he keeps coming back, keeps fighting. The aggression and the fighting spirit, that is what I think even I want to inculcate in myself, and I try to do it.
Last question, you trained with like elite jumpers of India, Shahid Singh, many others. So tell us about the environment and how does it feel?
Okay. Training at ABSF High Performance Center itself is a professional experience. Training with one of India's best, and the coach and Bobby sir, Anju ma'am. It's obviously is something that I am grateful and lucky to have. And yeah, Shaili is my training partner. It's nothing but love, and it's not like she is. Both of us are continuously pushing each other, and yeah, I'm really grateful to have a training partner like her.
So you are ending your season here.
Yes,
What will we do first in
off season.
Will you going home?
And
Or
Yeah, I'll take a break.
in fact, the winner clearly was Mariana at 52.39.
Right now, when I go back home, I have submissions and assignments aligned for my. I'm doing MCom with business management, so I have to focus on that. I have my exams in October. So once I finish that, I think I'll take a small mini vacation. I don't know where, but I just need 4 days. 4 days to like just rejuvenate. Yeah.